Welcome to the deep dive. So imagine walking into a massive sports bar, 50 different 4K TVs, all perfectly synced up.
Right, playing 4 different games without a single glitch.
Exactly. And no trailing wires anywhere in sight. You probably never really thought about the invisible brain making that happen.
Most people don't.
Yeah, but today we are decoding exactly that. We're looking at the Atlona HSM-44-BX 4K Matrix Switch from HDTVSupply.
Which is a $2,100 piece of commercial AV gear.
Right, and our mission today is to figure out exactly why it costs that much and, well, more importantly, why it actually matters to you. So, okay, let's unpack this. Think of this device less like a traffic cop and more like a...
Like a high-speed language translator.
Yes, exactly. It's taking 4 distinct conversations, your video inputs, and instantly translating them to travel long distances, whispering the correct translation into 4 different displays at the same time. No collisions.
And doing it with 0 lag, which is huge. I mean, in a commercial environment, if there's even a split-second delay between the audio on the speakers and the game on the screen, the illusion is just completely broken.
Right, totally broken. But I have to ask the obvious question here. Why can't someone just buy really long HDMI cables instead of this incredibly expensive switch?
Like, just snake it through the wall.
Yeah. If I want a TV in the next room, I'd just run a longer cable. Why drop $2,000 on a switch?
Well, what's fascinating here is that HDMI was literally never designed for marathons.
It wasn't.
No, not at all. I mean, it sends massive amounts of uncompressed data. Over a few feet, sure, that is totally fine. But you push that fragile signal past 50 feet and the voltage drops.
Oh, so the error correction just fails.
Exactly, you just get a blank screen. But the Atlona switch solves this physics problem by using HDBaseT outputs.
HDBaseT, okay, what exactly does that mean for the setup?
It means it takes that massive 4K video, packetizes it almost like internet data, and fires it down a standard CT6 cable.
Wait, you're losing me. You're saying it sends full 4K video, audio, internet, and control commands like RS-232 and IR through one skinny networking cable.
Up to 328 feet or 100 meters, yeah.
Just a standard CT6, the exact same cheap cable you plug into a Wi-Fi router. Doesn't that cause, like, massive interference?
Not with HDBaseT, no, because it shields and manages the data packets so efficiently. And it gets crazier. It sends electrical power down that exact same cable, too.
Wait, really?
Yeah. The Matrix has a universal power supply, and it pushes the juice right down the CT6 line to the receiver behind the TV.
So you don't even need a separate power outlet behind the remote TV for the receiver box. That is wild.
Right, but you still have another hurdle. You've just pushed this signal 300 feet. How does the switch know if the TV at the other end is a brand new 4K monitor or just, an older 1080p screen?
Oh, that actually explains the dense technical spec I was looking at earlier. It says it intelligently calculates EDID. What is happening in that negotiation?
So EDID is essentially a digital handshake. The switch is constantly pinging the TVs, asking, what is the absolute best resolution you can handle right now?
Oh, so it's doing the hard work behind the scenes.
Yeah, it negotiates all that in milliseconds. So it never accidentally sends a heavy 4K signal to a screen that will crash trying to read it.
Which brings us to the actual human element of all this.
Yeah.
I mean, in sports bar or retail store, the biggest hidden cost isn't really the AV equipment.
It's the downtime.
Exactly. It's the downtime and staff confusion when a screen goes black on a busy Friday night.
Commercial tech has to be practically bulletproof for that exact reason.
Yeah, I was reading a review on HDTVSupply from a customer named Victoria, and she deploys these across multiple retail locations.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, and the staff doesn't need an engineering degree to change a channel. The front panel LCD has saved routing presets. 2 buttons, and boom, the video switches instantly.
Which is crucial when you have high staff turnover.
Right. That, combined with HDTVSupply's 7-day-a-week remote support and a 3-year warranty from Atlona, is basically insurance against technical meltdowns.
Absolutely. And, if we connect this to the bigger picture,
Yeah.
this deep dive really shows how incredibly complex multi-screen setups are being simplified. We are taking 4 heavy streams of 4K video, audio, internet, and control data and stripping all that chaotic complexity down to a single CT6 cable that even carries its own power.
It fundamentally changes how commercial buildings are wired for media.
It really does.
Yeah.
And it leaves you with an interesting question to ponder.
Oh, I love these. Lay it on me.
Well, if a single standard CT6 cable can reliably carry heavy 4K video, internet control signals, and electrical power for hundreds of feet in commercial spaces,
Yeah.
How might this one cable does it all approach eventually replace the tangled mess of HDMI and power wires hiding behind our own living room TVs?